Fact 7. Tornadoes are often accompanied by hail, lightning, and heavy rain. The whole storm package. Fact 8. Some tornadoes are nearly invisible, only noticeable by the debris they kick up. Stealth mode activated. Fact 9. Tornadoes can occur any time of the year, but they're most common in spring and summer. Fact 10. The longest-lasting tornado lasted over 3.5 hours. Non-stop whirlwind action. Fact 11. Tornadoes can have multiple vortexes like mini-tornadoes within the main one. Tornadoception. Fact 12. Always have a safety plan and stay informed during tornado season. Safety first, folks. That's it for our whirlwind tour of tornado facts. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.